Hey guys, we're making some homemade almond milk today in our heated blender. Yep, this is gonna make the almond milk for me. So right now I have 1 cup of raw unsalted almonds that I've soaked for 4 hours in 2 cups of water. So you wanna strain that out, strain off the water, and then just add those down to the blender. Now I'm gonna add in 5 cups of fresh water. And then about 1.5 teaspoons of agave. You don't have to add this step. Of course, this is if you want it a little bit, just a little bit sweetened. And if you want the vanilla flavor, this is where you would add in the teaspoon of vanilla. But again, you can skip both the agave and the vanilla step if you just want almond milk, not sweetened or anything. I'm gonna be using this for breakfast, and so I figured I'd go ahead and add those. So we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and then all I'm gonna do here is turn it to the alternative milk setting and push start. So for 5 minutes now, it is going to blend and heat and cook until it's all done and mixed